Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can record your screen on OPPO Reno 13. So first, go to the center bar and now find the camera icon with a dot inside it, which is called screen recording. Now click it and here you can allow screen recording to record audio from your device. And as you can see, now we can start recording right here. And it's recording. Now if you click it, here we can pause the recording. We can also mute ourselves. And here we can end it. And as you can see, now it's saved. And there is our recording. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.